Let me give you guys another example, and then you can have a go. Okay, say you've won this mini lottery here. You're giving 6% to charity, 13 to your mum, 14 to your dad, and 3 to your best friend. How how much money is left for you, and how much is going to charity, mum, dad, and best friend? When I say how much, I want the amount of money, not the percentage. So draw the picture. Okay, so here, start with this. Hang on. So this is your nothing here. This is what one whole amount will be 270. So one represents your whole amount. When it's zero, you've got no money down here. Okay, so let's just imagine this is 50. This is halfway, so it's like 50%. So really from here to here is 50. Okay, roughly 50. Okay, so 6% is probably be this tiny bit. Okay, so you're giving 6% to charity. So this goes to charity. Okay, charity, so the question is, well, 6% goes to charity. So how much is that? What is 6% of this of 270? So normally I would ask you to get the whole amount, divide it into 100 pieces, and then times well, six pieces going to charity. So I would ask you to do this, but don't do this anymore. Do this. Move the 10 across here, because remember, A over B times C. When you times a fraction, it goes to the top, so it becomes this: AC over B. Now move this A out, so it's actually like this: A times C over B. So what I'm trying to say is, move this 100 across here. So it's like 6 divided by 100. That's what I'm saying. So work this out inside your head. Okay. So 6 divided by 100 is this. Okay. Hang on. 0.6, and then you just times 270. Okay. So hang on. Let me start again. So hang on. Okay. So now we are here. So we want to work out, because 6% is going to charity, we want to work out how much is that as an amount of money. So we want to work out 6% of this number here. Okay, so 270 times 6% divide 6%, so it will be this. Okay, because always look at this, 2 digits, that this represents 6%. Okay, so this would be, hang on, calculator. So all you have to do is get 670 times 0.06. Okay, equals 16.20. Hang on, 16. So 16.2. But because we're working in terms of money, let's put let's do it to 2 decimal places. So this would represent pence. Okay, so 6% of our whole amount is £16 and 20 pence, and now 11% going to mum. So 11% probably be this thing here. I'm guessing there, so it doesn't really matter that much. So this one will be going to mum. Okay, mum would be 11%. So what is 11% of the original? So just get the original, 270, times, well, what is 11%? 11% is like that, because if you get 11%, 11 divided by 100, well, visualize it as this: 11 is like this. Okay, and then when you divide by 100 or 1,000 or whatever, because we're dividing by 100, there are 2 zeros there, so we just move 1, 2. So it's actually, hang on, let me erase this here and erase this here. So it's actually 0.11. Okay, so but basically 11% of 270 is, hang on, let's work it out. Calculator, clear, 270 times 0.11. equals 29.7. 29.7. Let's stick a 0 in there. So 11% of 270 is £29.70. Now Dad, 14% going to Dad, so slightly bigger than Mum's one. Okay, so this would be Dad here, and that's 14% really. 14% going to Dad. Remember, here you've got 100 pieces here. You've given 6 pieces to charity, 11 pieces to Mum, and now 14 pieces to Dad. So 14. What is 14% of our original? So now get our original times 14%. 14% is 0.14. Have a quick glance at this. 14. So it's 14%. This one is 11%. This one is 6% in effect. Okay. So now calculator, 270 times 0.14 equals 37.8. 37.8. Let's stick a 0 in there. So Dad would be getting that amount of money, and Mum, sorry, not Mum, best friend's 3%. 3% is going to be around here somewhere, a tiny amount. So this will be going to best friend. 3%. Okay, so best friend will only be getting 3%. So get your original amount times 3%. 3% will be this. Okay, so calculator, hang on, clear. So 270 times 0.03 equals 8.1. Always have a glance at this. This is 3, isn't it? 3%. Okay. Hang on. Sorry. Hang on. Calculator here. So 3% of 270 is 8.1. So 8.1. Hang on. 8.1. And then that 8.1 is the same as 8.10. So best friend will only be getting £8.10. But how much is left for you? Well, remember, when you get the whole amount and divided by 100, you've got 100 pieces to play with. You've just given 6 pieces away, and then 11 pieces to Mum, 14 pieces to Dad, 3 pieces to best friend. So how many pieces is left for you? Remember, you've only got 100 pieces. So hang on, let's add all these together. Use your own method, but I'm just going to merge these two together. Will give me 20. I'm going to merge this one with this one. That's 14. So it's a matter of adding 20 to 14. That's 34. So you've given away 34 pieces. So what's left for you will be all this here. So that this will be 66 pieces left for you. So really, you've got 66% left for you. 66% left for you. Okay. So what is 66% of our original here? So hang on. Sorry. So here, what is 66% of our original? So hang on. Let's get our original. 270 times 66% will be this. Okay. So now get a calculator out. Clear it. 270 times 0.66 equals 178.2. 178.2. Hang on. 178.2. Let's stick a 0 in there. So that's how much is left for you. Okay. And it turns out if you add all these together, it should come to the original amount. Okay. So yeah. So in the next video, I'm going to ask you to draw a diagram like this. So yeah, okay, done.